Hi guys, so today I am doing a video, a hair tutorial on how I install this hair. This is the MyDiva Hair. I just did a hair review, so if you'd like to check out that hair review, I will list it down below in the description box. I did use bundles. It was Peruvian and Body Wave, a 22, 20, and 18. I did only use mostly 2 bundles. So I only used 1 track at the ends of the 3rd bundle. So this is majority only 2 bundles in my hair right now. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look doing the Pronto method, just keep watching. Thanks. Bye. So this is the braiding pattern that I use for the Pronto method. You're going to need 2 wig caps, 30-second weave wonder wrap, a tint brush, needle and thread, hair glue, and scissors. We're going to put both of the wig caps on. So now we're taking the needle and thread and sewing the 2 wig caps to the braids. So now we're going to cut off the excess wig cap. Now we're going to put the wonder wrap on the perimeter braid. And you're going to want to let the wonder wrap dry for about 15 minutes. So we're going to measure, cut, and glue. Make sure you're getting this first track underneath your braid. In the second track, I try to put it right on top of the braid. And I'm just going to repeat the same method, measure, cut, glue, until we get to the top. So this is the last track. And the reason we put that first track underneath the braid so it will lay flat. Okay, so these are the final results. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. I am open to anything, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.